A very good morning to all. Welcome back to another session of your science class. I hope you all are fine and taking proper care of your online studies. In our last video, we discussed very important natural applications of convection, that is, sea breeze and land breeze. The breeze which blows from sea towards the land in daytime in coastal areas is called sea breeze, while the breeze which blows from the land towards the sea at night in coastal areas is called land breeze. Well, in today's video we will discuss about third mode of heat transfer, that is radiation. As you know that sun is millions of miles away from the earth, right? So, how do we feel the warmth of the sun, which is millions of miles away and there is no air or any other medium in between? Similarly, we feel warmth if we hold our palms closer to a fire or to a room heater. But wait, how this heat reaches us? It cannot reach us through conduction or convection. As if I recall you, air is a poor conductor of heat, and in convection, warm air expands and rises up in the upward direction. So, now it's confusing you, right? How the heat from this room heater or the fire at a distance reaches us. Well, don't get confused. Here is the answer to your question. Heat is transferred in these cases by the process known as radiation. The method by which heat is transferred from a hot object to a cold object without the help of a medium is called radiation. All objects, solids, liquids, gases, or in fact our body can radiate out heat. When the temperature of an object is high, the heat radiated by it is more. When radiant heat falls on an object, the object absorbs some of it and reflects some of it. The amount of heat absorbed or reflected by an object depends upon the temperature, color, and nature of the object. Like black colored or dark color objects are considered a perfect absorber of heat, while white color or light color objects, they reflect more heat. Similarly, the shiny and polished surfaces are good reflectors of heat.
Applications of radiation. Some important applications of radiation in our daily life are given here. White and light colored clothes are more suitable in summer because they absorb very little amount of the sun's heat and thus keep our bodies cool. Dark colored clothes are more suitable in winter because they absorb most of the radiant heat of the sun and keep us warm. Room heaters have polished reflectors at the back of the heating element so that they absorb very little heat and reflect most of it. The base of a cooking utensil is painted black so that it absorbs more heat and cooks food quickly. Radiators of cars and air conditioners are painted black so as to radiate maximum amount of heat to produce cooling effect.
And with this, finally our chapter number 5, heat, gets complete. Lastly, again the link of notes and assignment questions will be provided you in the description box.